Once you've purchased your flipping hair extension and removed all labelling, take it off the hanger and we'll show you how to wire it. On the left side there's a piece of wire attached to the elastic end. This has got 3 knots. On the other side you have 2 rings. So you take the wire and you thread it through both of the rings. Then pull it through and then split the rings so that you go over the top of the first one and under the second one. This will allow you to adjust the wire easily. You then take the hair extension, place it onto your head and pull the wire until it fits comfortably. When it does, you remove the extension from your head and you tie 3 basic knots nice and tightly to fix the wire in place, and that is your hair extension wired. You then take a pair of scissors and the excess wire that you don't need you cut just a little bit away from the rings so that if for any reason there is any movement it won't slide out. That is your hair extension rewired. If you have any problems, all hair extensions for flipping hair come with this packaging, inside of which there is wiring instructions, spare comb, and inside the wiring instructions leaflet you have 2 spare pieces of wire.